Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Lalapi's corner, and today I'm going to be showing you how we make this beautiful hairstyle displaying on your screen. So first of all, I'm going to say these are hairstyles that hairstyles that have passed, but it's just that they're coming back and then they're creating them in a different way. So this particular hairstyle I'm going to make like braid with a natural hair. Then I'm going to be crocheting the part of the wave on this part that I've braided. So it's kind of looking like it will look like a bow braid. Yeah, so I'm going to crochet it on the braid and make it look like bow braid. And I'm going to make an even at the side of the head, and then I'll fix the rest of them. Like I'll fix the wave on the rest part of our hair. So it's one-sided. Let's say one-sided cornrows, and then bow braid at the back, and then fixing on the rest part of the hair. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video, and if you are just in my channel for the very first time, you are welcome. I'm Lalapi's corner, and thank you to all my subscribers that have made this channel grow this fast. Thank you everybody, I really appreciate it. So enjoy the rest of the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do not subscribe to my channel. continue fixing the weave on the part that I cornrowed before, and you're soon going to see the final look very soon. So if this is the first time of coming across my video, you're very much welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're also welcome. This is the final look of the hairstyle, and this weave does not tangle, like this weave does not tangle, and it is very affordable. So you can do well to try it if you're looking forward to do something like this. You will agree with me that this hair has rained, like it has rained before and it came back again in another form. So guys, see you on my next one, and this is the final look, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.